Hi everyone! Good morning sa inyong lahat. Happy Friday. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga para sa mga pangmadaling araw ang trabaho. Okay. And para sa mga gising pa na naghahanap ng mapapanood sa YT. So, kamusta kayo? Long time no read sa inyong lahat, guys. Pagpasensyahan nyo na busy lang ang lola ninyo. Kaya ako ay now lang nakapag-upload. So, kamusta kayo? Kamusta ang inyong araw? Kamusta ang energy ninyo? I hope you're doing good. You're all okay. Sa mga nag-aabang ng reading kay Leluna, so eto na guys, mag-upload tayo ngayon ng pick a card reading. Okay. So, titingnan natin who is inquiring about you. Sino ba itong person na to na nagtatanong about sa'yo? Inaalam ang life mo. Okay. Inuusisa sa ibang words, sa ibang terms, inaalam kung kamusta ka na, kinakamusta ka, okay, sa circle of friends mo, or iniisip ka. So, titingnan natin and let's see why. Why this person? Let's dive deeper. Who is this person? Okay, sa harapan ninyo, we have a two pile. Okay. So I'm going to use the Light Sears Tarot for the energy para makita natin. Kanina to while shuffling, lumabas yung card in reverse pero may nagsabi sa akin na i-upright ko siya. Okay? So, in-upright natin siya. Okay. So, again, meditate para mapili nyo yung pile na mag-resonate sa inyo. Meditate on your card. This is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. So, who is this person na nag-i-inquire about sa'yo? Who is this person inquiring about you? Pile number 1 and pile number 2, choose your pile now and let's start. Who is this person inquiring about you? Pile number 1, pile number 2. Okay. So, kung nakapili na kayo ng pile na sa tingin niyo is mag-resonate sa inyo, let's go, start sa ating pile number 1. So, itatabi lang natin to, itong ating second card. So, pile number 1, ano yung energy nitong person na to? Or energy na nakapaloob between sa inyo nitong person na to? Who is this person inquiring about you? And why? Okay. So, ang napili mo ay the devil. This could be Capricorn, literally, in zodiac. Hmm. Ito yung sinasabi ko kaninang while shuffling, reverse siya. Okay, reverse siya nung tumilapon. Pero, my intuition tells me that i-upright ko siya. Okay. So, the devil. For some of you, this is a kind of a person na very intimidating, very controlling. Okay. Meron ako nakikita na this person can be spiritual, bad boy vibes, playboy, okay? Or you could be Capricorn, pile number 1. So po pwedeng Capricorn ka. So take what's resonate guys again. Kung hindi mag-resonate, ayos lang. Meron akong nakukuha na for some of you, this person is lingering pa rin sa mind ninyo or bigla mo na lang maiisip tong person na to. You feel like this person is pulling your heartstring. Okay, so titingnan natin, even though wala dito yung Six of Cups or a past energy, meron akong nakikita dito na meron kang some kind of trauma with this person. This can be a male or masculine. Okay? So let's dive deeper. Sino tong person na to? Pile number 1. Again, this is a short pick card reading. So, take what's resonate. Hindi lahat mag-resonate sa inyo. Every tarot reader has an individual, okay, pamamaraan kung paano magbasa. Okay, King of Pentacles is lumabas again. So, it can be this is a Capricorn. Okay, someone who is inquiring about you. Okay, this person po pwedeng wants to go towards you, o pwedeng you are having a nightmare with this person, or this person is having a nightmare. Okay. For some of you, this is a very attractive person. Very good looking kind of a person. A bad boy. A player. Know how to manipulate, how to sway you. Let's see. Please give me a favorite card for my pile. Number 1. Wow. 6 of Swords. The Hangman. This person wants to go towards you. Wow. Emperor can be a boss. Okay. Or this person is may some kind na position within a community, within a job, okay, with the specific job, higher rank, okay. This is a person who is very strategic, very intellectual also, very smart itong person na to. Very, wala akong ibang narinig ko this strategic. So, this person know how to pull on your heartstring. Yun lang ang naririnig ko. Alam nito kung paano ka guluhin ulit or parang kung paano ka um, what we call this, yung parang ano, alam niya how to make you feel guilty or sabihin nating how to feel how to make you feel parang maawa sa kanya or anything. Let's see. This person can be thinking of you right now. King of Cups. For some of you, this can be a father, a husband, okay, or a brother. You can be a masculine and this is a masculine also. Pwedeng this person is older than you or you are the one older than this person. Can be. Pwedeng hindi kayo pag meron kayo, kung hindi to about sa love life, pwedeng this is a family member, a brother, a father, na meron kayong hindi pagkakaunawaan nitong person na to. This person is thinking about you. You could be the King of Cups, very loving, very, alam mo yung malambot yung puso, very forgiving, okay? Very emotional, sensitive also kind of a person. Very matured emotionally. Pero po pwedeng this person, if this is an emperor or a person who is having an emperor energy, this can be an authoritative person if this is a father or a brother. So, ibig sabihin, may pagka-authoritative siya, kailangan sundin mo siya, kailangan, kumbaga, kailangan siya yung masusunod. Okay? Um, Eight of Pentacles, so, po pwedeng, this can be a boss for some of you. Okay? Someone here is busy working on his finances. If this is a boss, this boss is thinking about you. If this is a father, this father is thinking about you. This father wants to make amends or makipagbate, makipag-ayos. Okay? So, pwedeng you are the one supporting this person or this person is the one supporting you financially. O pwedeng katrabaho to, colleague, and you two are same masculine. Let's see. But then you know that this person is thinking about you. Someone here is guilty. Meron akong na ano na guilty. Wow, King of Swords. For some of you, this is a friend. Ace of Swords wants to have a communication, a clarity. O pwedeng this is a friend or mga katrabaho. O pwedeng meron kayong hindi pagkakaunawaan nito. Wow, Justice. Oh. There is a middle person here. So there is an emperor who is the boss or the big boss, okay? And merong katrabaho ka, whether this is a King of Cups, you're the King of Swords, or vice versa, pwedeng meron kayong hindi pagkakaunawaan within a workplace. Pwedeng pagbatiin, pag-ayusin kayo, pinagbabati kayo, pinag-aayos kayo. Queen of Pentacles. Ooh, High Priestess. Very intuitive, very spiritual. Oh, someone here is parang meron ako nakukuha, take what's resonate guys ha. Someone here is parang meron siyang alam na ginawa na hindi maganda nung other person sa trabaho. Mm. Someone here is can be balance ang feminine and masculine niya. So, matured emotionally while good at money. Okay? Meron ako nakikita dito someone is gusto makipag-ayos doon sa other person or gustong magsumbong. Let's see. Clarify natin. Clarify. Ace of Swords again. There is someone here wants to break the silence o pwedeng um, merong hindi pagkakaunawaan, hindi nag-uusap, hindi argument, meron akong nakita eh. Ace of Swords again to oh. Clarity. So po pwedeng someone here is magsasabi ng totoo, aamin, magtatapat. This one. Wow, the lovers. Wow. And Queen of Wands. Oh my gosh. Someone here can be gossiping. Pwede someone here is married. Someone here is already in a marriage, a partnership, a family. And po pwedeng pwedeng can be this boss is the one inquiring about this specific person and someone here, whether this is a colleague with the devil here. Devil kasi, hindi kasi maganda yung energy niya ha. This can be a manipulator, a mind, alam mo yon, a mind controlling kind of a person, very shitty, very, hindi maganda yung energy niya. So, meron ako nakikita dito na someone is asking for the boss is asking, or this person or boss, the one who is inquiring is this boss. Inquiring to colleague, okay, your colleague inquiring kung about job, it can be, and there is someone here. Let's see ha. Clarity. Five of Swords. A conflict. Wow. For those of you ha, take what's resonate. Someone is talking or making a story about other person. This person pwedeng sabihin niya na this person has a mistress, merong karelasyon, do pamilyado na siya, meron siyang karelasyon in a work environment. This person who is pwedeng there is a feminine here, or with a Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands kasi para sa iba, they read that energy or that card has a mistress, other woman, okay. So pwedeng for some of you, take what's resonate. There is someone here na magsasabi ng katotohanan sa isang feminine, okay? Can be a feminine na this person actually married, okay? Pero nakikipagrelasyon. I don't know, nakikipagrelasyon kahit may asawa. Ay, ganun. O, Page of Cups. O, di ba? Ten of Cups. Family. Married. Ten of Cups is family. Married. Okay? With the Lover's card here. What's with the Ace? What's with the Ace of Swords? Hoy! Ang dami. Ang daming gustong sabihin, ha? Isa lang. What's with the Ace of Swords? Six of Swords again. Okay. Someone hit, meron akong nakuha dito na there is a three male here, ha. There is a boss, can be this is a father figure, authority. Po pwedeng this is authority with the justice card. So po pwedeng batas. Okay, po pwedeng police, po pwedeng law enforcement, pwedeng judge, po pwedeng meron akong nakita dito na someone, the other person is married. Okay. Yung isang person is married siya, may family siya. While this person, this male number two, okay, will give clarity to a Queen of Wands. Actually saying that the other person, okay, is already married. Meron akong nakikita dito na merong 5 person ako dito nakikita. Someone with authority, o pwedeng a law enforcement. Sabi natin batas, okay. There is a 2 feminine here. The other person is a Queen of Coins, Earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. This Queen of Coins can be very intuitive with a High Priestess, okay. A tarot reader, spiritual, okay. This person is married to a King of Cups. And there is a person here, yung male na isa, po pwedeng mag-girlfriend sila nung Queen of Wands. And po pwedeng itong Queen of Wands na to, po pwedeng ex niya or may gusto siya doon kay Queen of Cups. Which is, Queen of Cups is married na. Okay. This Queen of Wands is a mistress, can be. Someone here is gustong sirain yung marriage nung King of Cups at saka nung Queen of Pentacles. Gusto niya magkaroon ng conflict between the two. Po pwedeng paghiwalayin, po pwedeng take what's resonate guys. Ang dami kasi kong nakukuhang messages. Kaya medyo mabagal akong basahin yung cards. Okay? Kasi kung mapapansin, this Queen of Wands is looking. Okay? Looking to this two. Hindi ko alam kung gusto niya paghiwalayin tong mag-asawa, mag ano ng conflict, or this po pwedeng Queen of Wands is feeling defeated over kasi itong marriage nila is actually 10 of Cups. Actually, itong Queen of Wands, may boyfriend na siya. May karelasyon na siya. Kaso, hindi yata siya makamove on doon sa guy na married na. Pero kasi ako nakikita, hindi siya makamove on doon sa guy na married na. Gusto niyang guluhin. Kasi this Queen of Wands is feeling defeated. Toxic to, toxic. Kasi someone here is married, happily married, busy working both on pentacles, their career. Then someone here is gustong gumawa ng scene, sirain yung marriage, okay? O pwedeng ipapulis, meron ako nakikitang ganun, gumawa ng story, mag-come up ng story. Pero meron ako nakikita dito na this Queen of Wands, kung sino man dito sa dalawang to yung parang feeling defeated, protected tong dalawang to. Itong mag-asawa. Judgment. O, di ba? Someone here is nagkaroon ng awakening na happily married kasi itong mag-asawa eh. Take what's resonate, guys. Someone here is parang feeling defeated over the past person po, pwedeng nagugustuhan itong mistress na to, itong kabit, in short, feeling betrayed or feeling defeated. Gusto niya kasi makipagkompetensya dito sa kung sino man yung Queen of Coins dito. Okay? Gusto niya makipagkompetensya. Kasi gusto niya sirain yung family. O pwedeng this King of Cups is good at work, good at finances. So take what's resonate, guys. So who is inquiring about you? Can be a mistress, a past person, nagkakagusto sa husband. Kung ikaw ay feminine, nagkakagusto sa husband mo, can be, or an ex, okay, na gustong sirain yung marriage nyo. If you're feminine or masculine, whether vice versa. So take what's resonate. Itong mistress na to or Queen of Wands na to is already has a relationship with the Lover's card in a King of Swords. May boyfriend na siya. Ang kaso, parang hindi siguro matanggap nitong Queen of Wands na hindi siya pinili, hindi sa kanya nag-offer ng cup. Nag-offer ng cup si King of Cups kay Queen of Pentacles at hindi sa kanya. Parang ganun. So take what's resonate, guys. So this is the person who is inquiring about you, pile number 1. Okay? Kasi hindi siya maka-move on. Hindi siya maka-move on doon sa King of Cups. The devil here eh. Yung parang inaakit niya pa eh. Parang alam mo yun, yung parang gagawa pa siya ng paraan para hindi ko papayag na maging masaya kayo. Yung parang ganun. So, take what resonate, guys. So, I hope nag-resonate sa inyo yung pile number 1. So, I'm so sorry kung medyo mabagal yung pagbasa ko ng cards kasi tinitingnan ko mabuti yung card. Okay? So, thank you so much, pile number 1, para sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe. Considering subscribing sa channel natin. And I will go to pile number 2 na. Okay? I will go to pile number 2 na. Pile number 2. Okay, so pile number 2. If you choose this card, let's see. What is your person's energy? Who is inquiring about you and why? Okay, so ito yung energy nung reading mo, pile number 2. So, pile number 2, Three of Pentacles, Earth sign again, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Collaboration, okay. Someone wants to work with you, wants to get you or hired you in their team, wants to collaborate. O pwedeng this person is nakita niya kung paano ka mag-work, kung paano ka magtrabaho. This can be a sister. Let's see. File number 2 is inquiring about you and why. Okay. This can be a past colleague. Who wants, who is inquiring about file number 2? Ten of Wands wants to help you. This person wants to help you, wants to rescue you. O pwede you're struggling right now on finances or finding a job. This person wants to ask you if you want to join them in their business, in their work. Okay. Page of Swords. This person wants to message you, wants to contact you. Gusto ka nitong i-refer, po pwedeng sa trabaho, gusto ka nitong ipasok sa job or isali sa work. Oh, Six of Swords. Pwedeng may conflict kayo nitong person na to. Or gusto nitong maging same kayo, same page, same na successful, na alam niyo, nakikita niyo kung paano ka mag-work. Siguro you can be an artist, you can be content creator, you can be creative, okay? King of Swords. Can be this is a male, okay? Very intellectual kind of a person, very fast-paced kind of a person, very smart person also, okay? And this person po pwedeng knows na nahihirapan ka right now sa paghahanap ng job or struggle ka right now sa finances mo, and this person wants to help you, wants to recommend you sa trabaho. Strength card. Okay. This person, oh, can be this is sales, okay, about sales. You can have a Midas touch. Kung alam ninyo yung Midas touch, ha? Very creative, can start from a scratch. Okay, sorry. Can be a Leo. Feminine yet strong or malakas. Oh, di ba? Four of Cups. This person is offering you or nag-offer tong person na to ng job, ng teamwork, or ng team up. Okay? Pero for some of you, po pwedeng ayaw yung tanggapin. Four of Wands. Spying on you can be, or pinagtatanong-tanong ka nito sa mga friends ninyo. Or sa mga friend mo. Oh, Queen of Pentacles, di ba? Alam niya na you are very good sa money. Very nurturing. This can be a love connection. This person wants to collaborate sa'yo. The Sun card. Uy. Five of Swords. Sneaky. Seven of Cups. Siguro, kaya ayaw mong tanggapin yung collaboration na ino-offer niya sa'yo, yung connection ino-offer niya sa'yo, yung communication, yung promises niya. Kasi po pwede siguro, naging sneaky tong person na to in the past. Hindi niya tinupad yung promise niya. Po pwedeng hindi siya tumupad sa usapan ninyo. Yun yung nag-cause ng disagreement ninyo, ng pag-aaway ninyo. There is a 10 of wands here. Po pwedeng this person is nahihirapan siya. Kasi hindi kayo okay. Hindi kayo good terms. Okay? This can be a Leo for some of you. And you could be an air sign. Or a Leo with a air placement can be a Gemini. Pwedeng this person is ginawa kang option. Pwedeng this is the father of your child. O from the past. Okay? Four of Wands can be marriage, community. Okay? This can be family, married. Okay? This is a partner, a partnership. Okay? So this is a love life. Six of Cups can be from the past. Okay? Childhood. O pwedeng may history kayo nitong person na to. Long history, I mean. Foundation, Ten of Pentacles. This is a father, your husband. May anak kayo nitong person to. At baby father, parang ganon. This person is naging sneaky sa'yo in the past. Ginawa kang option nito. Okay? But then this person wants to offer you a reconciliation, a cup of love again, or some kind of connection. Kasi po pwedeng black to and this person is spying. This person wants to communicate, wants to say sorry. Okay, this person wants to collaborate sa'yo kasi po pwedeng you are good at money. And then this person is po pwedeng nahihirapan siya with the 10 of wands here. Nahihirapan siya kasi hindi nga kayo okay. Po pwedeng mag-ask to sa'yo ng help kasi you are good at money eh. So ibig sabihin, um, marunong kang mag-budget, marunong kang sa finance, parang ganun. And this person is burdened. O diba, the chariot wants to go towards you. Okay? O pwedeng makipag-reconcile ito, makipagbalikan. Kasi may anak kayo nito, may child kayo with the sun card here. Kasi this person is naging sneaky siya from the in the past. Hindi siya naging totoo, hindi siya naging um, Queen of Wands in reverse. Okay. So ibig sabihin, if this is upright, siguro ng babae to. Okay, ipinagpalit ka. Queen of Wands can be another woman, other woman, kirida. Okay, for some of you, nagkaroon ng babae. Okay? For some of you, niloko ka nito, ginawa kang option with the Seven of Cups. Okay? Pero the mere fact na in reverse na, so po pwede sigurong na-realize niya na gusto niya makipag-reconcile sa'yo, nasa sa'yo yung parang nurtured energy na hinahanap niya. ikaw yung nanay ng anak niya, okay po pwede sigurong makipaghiwalay na to doon sa other person. This person wants to go towards you, okay? Pero siguro wala ka ng tiwala dito. Kasi binitray ka nitong person na to. Ace of Wands wants to take action. Iniisip mo po pwedeng binuntis ka lang nito. Ace of Pentacles want to invest. Okay? Nung time niya, ginawa kang option nito pero ngayon gusto niya na mag-invest sa'yo. Gusto niya nang itama yung pagkakamali niya. Okay? Pwedeng this person needs your help. Oh. Five of Cups. This person is crying over you. Nanghihinayang siya. Nagsisisi. In regrets. Kasi ngayon na nag-o-offer na siya ng love sa'yo, gusto ka niya ng seryosohin, gusto niya ng pumunta towards you, ayaw mo nang tanggapin yung ino-offer niya. O pwedeng gusto, mag-offer to ng stable, okay? Finances, magsuporta, magbigay sa'yo, kaso ayaw mo. For some of you, ayaw mong tanggapin. Ayaw mo. Nire-reject mo. Okay? Or pwede siguro pinag-iisipan mo pa kung pagkakatiwalaan mo pa tong person na to kasi nga naging sneaky siya. Okay? In the past. This person is emotional right now, crying, can be. Kasi nga, you take your power back, wala kayong communication, hindi niya alam kung paano kakakausapin, pupunta towards you. Hindi niya alam kung paano kanya i-approach, paano kayo magkakasundo ulit. With the Six of Swords here, gusto niya magkabati kayo, gusto niya mag-aayos kayo. Gusto niya makipag-ayos sa'yo. Okay? If there is no marriage here and sabihin natin live-in lang kayo, this person wants to ask you to marry him or marry her. Pero since King of Swords is nandito, gusto nitong pakasalan ka. This person is hindi maka-move on. Gusto niya mag-travel towards you, pwedeng this person is nasa malayo. Crying over spilled milk. Regret. Heartbroken over what happened. Nagsisisi siya, bakit naging deceptive siya, bakit hindi siya nagsabi ng totoo, bakit hindi siya naging tapat, bakit hindi kanya pinaglaanan ng oras, bakit hindi kanya pinaglaanan ng pentacles, hindi siya nag-invest sa'yo, bakit naging madamot siya sa'yo, bakit kanya pinahirapan, bakit hindi kanya pinahalagahan. This person is regretful doon sa lahat ng ginawa niya sa'yo. Okay, and po pwede sigurong this person is afraid that po pwedeng mawala ka sa kanya kasi po pwedeng marami kang options, okay? Marami ka ng options right now or you are focused on your pentacles. So pwedeng you are abundant right now. You are the one who is very financially stable and this person is not. Can be. And this person is nagsisisi siya kasi you are good sa pera, sa money. Okay? And siguro kailangan nito ng tulong. With the Ten of Wands, kailangan nito ng tulong. Kasi, I don't know. But then this person wants to ask for money. This can be a childhood person. Meron kayong foundation nitong person na to. Matagal mo nang kilala tong person na to. Ito nga yung baby daddy mo or siya yung tatay ng anak mo. May anak kayo nito. Or pa pwedeng this person is may anak. Okay, single dad. Nagkaroon ng anak sa other woman. And this person is nahihirapan and wants to ask you for help. Okay? For some of you, ha, this person is being sneaky, hindi naging honest sa'yo, pwedeng ipinagpalit ka, nag-cheat to sa'yo. Though wala dito yung Three of Swords, yun yung nararamdaman ko. Okay, so take what's resonate, guys. So who is inquiring about you? This is an ex. Okay? Past person, ex-husband. Okay? Pwede nakipaghiwalay na to doon sa may mistress niya. Take what's resonate, guys, ha. Marami kasi akong information na binibitawan or sinasabi. So, take what's resonate. Gusto makapagbati nito sa'yo. Gusto mag-ask ng help. Natukso tong person na to. Pwedeng marami ka ng options right now. Pwede na maraming nakakagusto sa'yo, maraming nanliligaw, maraming gusto makipag-collaborate sa'yo. Kasi you are good at finances. Pile number 2. So, take what's resonate, guys. So, again, kung hindi resonate sa inyo, yung scenario, yung situation, yung energy, okay lang. Huwag ipilit, okay? So, I hope resonated sa'yo, pile number 2, kung sino yung person nag inquire sa'yo. So, bakit siya nag inquire Gusto niya kasi makipagbalikan, gusto niya makipag-ayos sa'yo. Nagsisisi to with the 5 of Cups, regretful to kung ano yung mga ginawa niya sa'yo from the past. Okay? Kung pwede nahihirapan to and wants to ask for help sa'yo. Okay? Hindi pa rin nakaka-move on tong person na to. Gustong mag-offer. Pwedeng na-realize niya yung stability is nasa sayo at wala dun sa other person. So, para sa mga bago pa lang sa channel natin, please consider subscribing sa channel natin if resonated sa inyo yung reading natin. At para dun sa mga nakasubscribe na, kindly comment sa video natin kung resonated sa inyo. Okay, show some love sa channel ni Luna by commenting. Okay, nababasa ko po yung mga comment ninyo and sa mga nadadaanan ko po is hina-heart ko po yan, okay? So abangan ninyo kasi meron akong ilalabas na link para makapag-book kayo ng personal reading easily. So hindi na kayo kung sa mga ayaw mag-inquire sa Gmail ng Leluna, so meron akong link na ipipin sa ating channel para makapag-book kayo easily. Okay? So, abangan ninyo yun, guys. Marami kayong aabangan pa sa channel natin. And I'm so sorry kung ngayon lang ako nakapag-upload kasi sobrang busy lang ng lola niya. Sabi ko nga, busy. Okay? So, upload tayo ulit ng sunod-sunod this week. So, abangan ninyo. Okay? And abangan ninyo, baka magpa-personal reading tayo ng discounted, okay? Discounted price. So, pwede kayo magpa-personal reading for as low as 100 pesos. So, abangan ninyo guys ha. Abangan ninyo yung link, yung posting natin para doon sa discounted natin na promo na personal reading. Okay. So, maraming salamat guys. Happy weekend sa inyong lahat. Friday na ngayon. So, bukas weekend na. So, abangan ninyo yung mga susunod pa nating upload. Okay? Maraming salamat sa panonood. Again, this is Maria and this is Leluna Tarot. Signing off. Bye!